Hey guys, Jordan with nuCamp here. Today we're going to be dewinterizing a Cirrus 620. When we talk about dewinterizing, all we're really doing is draining all the antifreeze out of the system, putting sanitizing solution through all the faucets and fixtures, and then flushing the system with fresh water. Let's get started.
We'll drain all the antifreeze out of the system. Pull the gray lever to drain the contents from the gray tank. You'll want to connect a sewer hose to prevent the antifreeze from flowing into the compartment. Repeat this process for the hot and cold drains as well as the freshwater tank drain. Antifreeze will exit from underneath the camper. Once everything has drained completely, close the drain valves. Next, you'll need to mix a sanitizing solution of 1/2 cup bleach per gallon of water. Place one end of the hose into the solution and connect the other to your Nautilus. Use the key on the sticker to put the Nautilus panel into sanitize mode. Then turn on your water pump to begin the siphoning process. When the water system is pressurized, turn off the water pump and put the Nautilus panel into dry camping mode. Inside the camper, turn on the water pump and run the solution through the kitchen faucet until the water stops running pink. Don't forget to also run solution through your external shower. Back at the Nautilus, turn off your water pump. You'll now want to empty your gray tank, the hot and cold drains, and the freshwater tank. Don't forget to close those back up. Next, put the Nautilus panel into city water mode and connect your garden hose to city water. Don't forget to use an inline water pressure regulator. Fill your tank with fresh water. Keep an eye on your monitor panel to avoid overfilling the tank. Switch the Nautilus panel back to dry camp mode. Turn your water pump on and run water through your indoor sink and external shower to remove any residual sanitizing solution. Turn your water pump off when you are finished and go ahead and open your drains again. Now you are dewinterized and ready for the camping season.
We hope you found this video helpful. Please feel free to reach out to us here at tech@nucamprv.com if you do have any further questions. Thanks for watching.